What's going on, guys? My name's Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesday, I like to bring you guys a tool that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects just in and around my garage here. When it comes to installing maybe door hinges or strike plates, cabinet hinges, drawer slides, whatever the case may be, any kind of bracket or anything that takes a mounting screw, get your piece. In this case, this cabinet hinge, get this lined up right where you want it. Then you take your pencil, maybe you take your Pica deep hole marker. Did a video on one of these, absolutely love it. I use this in place of Sharpies now. I use this for everything. Anyway, you take your marker, your pencil, whatever the case may be, and you mark your mounting hole. Then take your drill, you drill your mounting hole, get your mounting hardware, and you go to install that hinge, cabinet hinge, strike plate, whatever it is, and your hole is off just a little bit. Just enough to maybe get your hinge a little cattywampus, just enough to get it a little off. And then you got to go and remark your holes, re-drill, and it can be a real pain, especially if it's just a little bit off. It can be really difficult to get the hole lined up correctly, since there's already another hole there. That's where you got to get yourself a set of these. These are by Bosch. These are Bosch Self-Centering Drill Bits. Come in a set of 3. You got a 6, an 8, and a 10. And what these do is there's a drill bit in there, and then this outer piece has a tapered tip. And that tapered tip, when you put that over a mounting hole, it self-centers. And then inside there with the drill bit is a spring. So as you start to drill it, you push on your drill bit, you push your drill, the drill bit comes out. This tapered tip keeps everything centered in your hinge and gives you a perfectly centered hole. So I've got this cabinet mounting hinge here. I got my number 6 self-centering drill bit. And then all you do is just take this, put it on there, and as you drill it, now that hole is directly in the center of that mounting point. Now I can take my screw, get it started in there, swap out my bit, and drive it in. Now, I know this is only one hole in a scrap piece of wood, and oh yeah, it's easy. You just center the hinge on the hole you just drilled. Right, okay. Pretend, guys, use your imagination. But this is a hinge, it's in place on a cabinet, get everything held up in place. You can drill those holes right where you need it. Self-centering, get you a perfect hole in the center of that hinge, bracket, strike plate, cabinet hinge, whatever the case may be. I use these things all the time. When I redid my kitchen cabinets, I painted everything. I ended up swapping out a lot of the hardware for soft close hinges. I use these to get every hinge lined up perfectly every time. You know, like I said, these are by Bosch. I'll leave a link down below. I'll see what else I can find out there for other alternatives. But yeah, these things will last you a lifetime. They're great for drilling pilot holes. Never mess up again when trying to mount, like I said, a hinge or a cabinet door, drawer slides, anything like that. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.